Hello, welcome back again to our channel, Division 101, and this time we will continue our coding. So this is for grade 4, particularly in lesson 6. So we will be solving two puzzles this time, puzzle number 7 and puzzle number 8. Are you ready now? Okay, so prepare your computer, open your coding, and let's start to solve the puzzle 7 and puzzle number 8. Okay, so this is lesson number 6. You can see here, this is swimming fish with Sprite lab. Okay, so here we will be solving lesson number 7. This here, this icon means that this level is a part of a larger project. Changes will be saved across this level. So meaning to say, class, that whatever we done in this level, it will add ons. It will carry over to the next puzzle. So for example, number 7, it will be saved and move to save with number 8. Okay, it will add ons. Similar with the other lessons. So let's try. So first, we must read our instruction. So instruction says here that the fish is adventurous and wants to meet new creatures in the sea and other sprite to add another sprite to the fish tank. This sprite can be have any costume other than the one you use for your fish. Okay, so we are tasked to do another sprite. So for this one, because we need to do fish, we will change this one to, yes, to fish. Example, that color. And this one we will add, we will change also the same. So this new red fish sprite at 300 by 99, the sprite fish, the red fish, begins spinning right. So it will spin to the right. And we need to add one more sprite. So sprite, add one more. Okay. And then behavior. Here, you can see, you have your gray fish now. So what is the behavior of our new fish? Maybe swimming left to right. Okay, that's it. So our two fishes will do different activity. Okay, spinning right, and the other one is swimming left and right. Okay, you get it? So if you want to have a background color, you can add in the world set background color. For example, here we will add, and the background will become blue. So you can choose what color you want here, changing color. You want light color, you can do. So when you run, we'll see what happened. So the red fish spinning while the gray swimming left and right. You can see. So this is now the red. Okay. So that is how to solve our puzzle number 7. Did you get it? You want another one? Or replay? We will replay. So reset. So this one will spin right, and this one will move left to right. Let's see. Okay, you can see it? Okay, very good. So we will continue now to puzzle number 8. Remember that in our puzzle, it is continuous. Okay, so the 7 will add to number 8. Let's see what happened. Okay, so this is now number 8. You see, number 8, a mini project, swimming fish, continue. So here, instruction, what do you want your fish new friend to do? Add behavior and watch them go. So if you can see what you want, okay, similar to what we did in puzzle number 7. So what do you need to do with one of your fish friend? So you can change, maybe spelling right, behavior. Okay, you can edit the behavior, and okay, you can edit the behavior of the sprite, or all you need to do is to remove this one, and then maybe you want a behavior that also swimming left to right. So if you can see now, the two fishes will swim left to right. Okay, let's try. So the two fishes now swimming left to right. Okay, so that is how to solve puzzle number 8 in lesson 6. Okay, so hope that you learned something. Okay, and then remember, don't forget to share it with your friends, our channel, our lesson. Then press, you click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. If you are new in our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Baby June 101. Till next time, see you. Have a nice day, everyone.